Hello everybody, welcome back to Jillie's Nails. Today I am doing this very pretty, very not spring heart lock and key look. I loved it. I was dying to use this color, this Dash of Cocoa, in an actual manicure that I bought from I Love Nail Polish. So I don't care about the seasons when it comes to nail polish. I wear what I want because I do what I want. And I like to have fun with that, and I was dying to try it out. So I had to wear it. Look at my nails. Can you tell winter's over? My nails are growing. I was looking back through all of my nail art stuff and realizing that I always post less in the winter months. And I was really like, what is going on? Why do I do this? And then I remembered, because if you start looking at the February and March pictures and videos, my nails are always short. It's because they always break in the winter. But look at them. Look at those pretty white tips. I have nails again. I'm so excited. That was a Orly base coat that I used, and I'm going to let that dry because this is I Love Nail Polish, and I will wear it until it chips off, which for me, by the way, is about 7 to 10 days, and that's very impressive on my nails. Wanted to take the time to kind of go over this with you and show you the I Love Nail Polish formula a little bit. You know, I really like this brand, and most nail polishes, that's why you kind of see me using the same brands over and over. Anything other than these brands tends to chip on me in 2 to 4 days. So I Love Nail Polish, Sinful Colors, and Maniology, those are the ones that really stick and work for me. Now, the I Love Nail Polish formula, you would need to be prepared for it. It's kind of a little bit runny. It's runnier than a lot of drugstore polishes. This is considered a boutique brand. This is not sponsored, by the way. I just genuinely love them. They're my favorites. So you have to be kind of careful, especially if you have a sharp C curve in your nails. It can make it very easy to flood your cuticles. And some of my nails have sharp C curves, some are kind of flat. You know, it just is what it is. But for that, and to say, be very careful, because it's kind of hard to get the cuticle lines straight sometimes if you have a super hard C curve. I did grab this fairy plate again from Clear Jelly Stamper because it's so versatile. Yes, it has the fairies on it, and that's the main reason I bought it. But I love the stars that were at the bottom. These lock and keys, super cute. Love them. If you see all around on here while I'm picking up these images, there's pretty little florals. There's greenery that you can use. There's ferns, butterflies. This plate has a lot on it, and let me just put it this way. Highly recommend. It's about $14. So yes, it's much pricier than a normal plate, but it's also very large, and there's so much you can do on here. You can layer stamp, you can straight stamp, you can reverse stamp with these images. It's pretty cool stuff. So if you haven't checked it out, I do recommend you take a look at it. I have a code if you want to use it. It gives you a discount of 10% off. It's JILLIE10, just like my Maniology code. But I promise you, I'm telling you this because I genuinely love this plate. The codes are just a bonus for both of us. And just for the record, I do buy most of my Clear Jelly stuff from Lantern and Wren. So I do believe to get that code to work, you have to use it on the Clear Jelly website. But I also highly recommend Lantern and Wren. They have all kinds of cool plates. They carry all kinds of brands. They're a great distributor. And Carly's the owner. She's super sweet. She replaced an order for me that somebody stole or was lost, like super quick, in time for me to get it up for a video. So highly recommend her too. The service is great. Now I'm just going through and doing different base golds. I started out with spiced orange, and on top of the brown, it just didn't really pop enough for me. So I had an old Maniology stamping polish. It's not available anymore, so when stuff's not available and it's this color, I don't put it in my notes and stuff for you, because if it's not available, it's kind of a waste of time. But if you have something similar, at least you can see the color and find it and, you know, do something at least similar if you're trying to recreate the looks. And speaking of recreating looks, I have heard a little rumor from my husband that one of his customers is a fan of this channel. So I just want to say hi. I don't want to say your name, but you know who you are. You met my husband. Hello. I'm glad you watched. Thank you. It's very nice of you. It's very nice of all of you to watch, by the way. So after I got all these base colors down, some of them I didn't want to layer things like the hearts. I used 2 different colors for the hearts and kind of overlapped them to give them this pretty swirly effect. Now that the base colors are down, I'm just going back in with a black on top of it, and you can see it there. My key didn't come out great. Somehow I twisted it a little bit, so it was a little wonky, but still like the design. I know it's really hard to see here. This is one of those manicures that's so pretty in person and just does not film well. And I don't know if it's the color combo or what with my camera, but it just, they just don't come out quite right sometimes on film. They're much prettier in person. And this is one of those, I promise you, it's so pretty because you have this rich, deep brown from the Dash of Cocoa. And you can see from the little twist to it where it gets a little lighter, bronzy, rose gold, almost brown in it. And then it has scattered hollow glitter through it too. Super pretty. Highly recommend. Let me know what you think, and if you have any questions, as always, or ideas for videos, let me know. I am happy to do whatever you would like to see. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great week. Bye-bye.